Hindus are being lynched in Bangladesh. Mob mayhem is a reality. Temples are vandalized. Bodies set ablaze. But the liberal lobby here, some on the panel also, people who stream Lynchistan at every opportunity, they are busy justifying the Islamist barbarity. The likes of Digvijay Singh have blamed it on reaction to India's minority issues, as if Hindu blood in Bangladesh is a justified retaliation. Viewers' action-reaction logic at its most disgusting. You have Congress leader Hussain Dalwai trivializing these murders by saying similar lynchings happen in India. Mehbooba Mufti's daughter Iltija brands India Lynchistan, while Hindus are actually being lynched across the border in under Yunus's watch. Bollywood actor Janhvi Kapoor dared to speak up, viewers, posting a powerful condemnation on Instagram, calling the lynching barbaric and slaughter, slamming the hypocrisy of the selective outrage. She demanded extremism be called out in all forms. And you know what happened to her? The ecosystem went after her. Out of India YouTubers immediately posted attack videos using her image, slandering her as part of a dark side narrative, while ignoring the actual horror in Bangladesh. So what is this going on? Without any delay, let me bring in Aditya Gupta, Youth President of the PDP, and let's start the debate. Aditya Gupta, लिंचिंग्स वहां हो रहे हैं सर, दीपू दास को वहां लिंच कर दिया, आपके नेता कह रहे हैं इंडिया लिंचिस्तान.
I think if you can see the tweet properly, it says 19-year-old Bengali Muslim worker lynched in Odisha. And as far as, let me put it straight to you and on record, lynching anywhere of any community, anywhere in any part of this world is barbaric and is absolutely uncalled for. Whether it's a Hindu, it's a Muslim, it's a Sikh, it's any person, it is absolutely barbaric. I'll just give you an example. I'll
give you an example. I'll give you an example. Mr. Gupta, I'll give you an example. Aditya, Imran Ali is clapping. Sir, ये हो जाने दीजिए, उसके बाद assess the performance, then clap. वापस लेना पड़ेगा नहीं तो आपको, रुक जाइए. Aditya Gupta, how would you describe what happened to Kashmiri Hindus in Kashmir in the 90s, sir? जो genocide था, वो क्या लिंचिस्तान था? Under whose watch?
Example only. अरे आप दिक्कत यही है ना कि that you are not ready to listen. I was coming to this only.
Okay.
So wait. 2 days back, in the next lane where I stay in Jammu, there's a Kashmiri Pandit officer, ADGP rank, name is Ashok Bhan. An attempt was made to lynch, ransack his house by an organization backed by ABP students and Bajrang Dal, because that Kashmiri Pandit was working for Shrine Board and had passed the resolution and has supported that. Now you tell me, that is also lynching. That is also an attempt on the sovereignty and on the integrity of the country. That is also an attack on any person who's
there are people. No, 1 minute. Your alliance partners are saying because lynchings are taking place in India, which is why Deepu Das was brutally lynched. उस पे कुछ बोलेंगे आप?
The fact of the matter is that, see, anyone can say whatever.
Anyone can say whatever.
That this is
Dr. Ranganathan,
this is very
Lynchistan.
No, first of all, Uncle Toms are allowed to say whatever they say because that's the reason why they are Uncle Toms. But then, would this gentleman know the names? Yes, he knows the names of Akhlaq. He knows the names of all those people who've been lynched by Hindu mobs in hate crime attacks. The thing is, the allusion he's making is to every lynching has happened where the perpetrators are Hindu mobs. He hasn't mentioned a single lynching on in mind, even right now, where there are more than 200 documented attacks of Muslim mobs committing to lynching, nearly lynching. For example, does he know who Bharat Yadav is, Keetaram Bheel is, Gangaram is, Sarita is, Ayub Pandit is? He doesn't, because they've been lynched by Muslim mobs. It's all very well to say we condemn all lynchings, but his allusion is to only lynchings that have happened where the victims, perpetrators are Hindu mobs. Now I come to the psychopathic justification, rationalization, कि अगर यहां पे minorities को प्रताड़ित कर रहे हैं तो वहां पे हो रहा है. By that logic, Should Kashmiri Hindus not pick up arms and start murdering Kashmiri Muslims? By that logic, was the Gujarat riots where Muslims were killed, were they not justified because 59 Hindus were burnt alive? ये कैसा logic लेके आए हो भाई? But then again, once an Uncle Tom, always an Uncle Tom.
हाजी रंडरेज, तहसीन, आई एम कमिंग टू यू आफ्टर दिस. हाजी रंडरेज, आपने भी इससे पहले कहा था कि वहां जो हो रहा है वो हमारे इंडिया में भी ऐसा ही हो रहा है, माइनॉरिटीज के साथ सही व्यवहार नहीं हो रहा है. आपको लगता है माइनॉरिटीज के साथ सही नहीं हो रहा है इंडिया में?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं हो रहा. आप अभी 3-4 दिन में, हाल फिलहाल के दिनों में, उसमें आपने डिबेट ही नहीं करते आप परनेश भाई, क्योंकि आप अगर उन पे डिबेट करोगे तो आपकी टीआरपी कम हो जाएगी कि किस तरीके से ईसाई धर्म के मानने वाले लोगों के साथ
मैं जितनी डिबेट करता हूं उसमें आप एक्सपोज हो जाते हैं. अब कुछ बचेगा तो डिबेट करेंगे. मैं आपको यह बताता हूं, इंडिया में मुस्लिम पॉपुलेशन बढ़ी है या कम हुई है? सर
नहीं, आप बता दीजिए आपने कब करी है. आप बता दीजिए आपने कब करी है कि जो क्रिश्चियनों पे हमला हुआ, जो देश में मुसलमानों पे लगातार हमले हो रहे हैं. अभी बिहार में एक का कान काट दिया, उसकी पैंट उतार के उसकी आइडेंटिटी चेक करी गई. तो ये सारी चीजें हो इस देश में. अखलाक का केस है, उसको सरकार वापस ले रही है.
अखलाक वाला किया था हमने. एक मिनट, नहीं, पैंट तो वहां पहलगाम में भी उतारी गई थी, उस पर आप लोग कुछ नहीं बोल रहे थे. मुझे यह बताइए, आप कह रहे हैं कि माइनॉरिटीज के साथ अत्याचार हो रहा है, माइनॉरिटी पॉपुलेशन बढ़ी है या कम हुई है इंडिया में?
परनेश भाई,
हाजी रंडरेज, एक सीधा सवाल है, उसका तो जवाब दिए. कोई किसी भी सवाल का तो जवाब दो पूरे पैनल में.
देखिए परनेश भाई, मैं लगातार ये सवाल करता जा रहा हूं.
आप सवाल ही करेंगे या जवाब भी देंगे? सर, माइनॉरिटीज की पॉपुलेशन, मुस्लिम पॉपुलेशन बढ़ी है या कम हुई है?
और माइनॉरिटीज के लोगों के साथ मुसलमानों का जीना दुर्भर हो रहा. अगर वो नमाज पढ़ ले रोड पे तो मुकदमा. अगर वो,
अरे तो रोड पे क्यों पढ़ेंगे? नहीं, रोड पे क्यों पढ़ेंगे नमाज?
पुलिस में है.
नहीं, रोड पे क्यों पढ़ेंगे नमाज?
उसको नौकरी से बर्खास्त.
कल को कोई टारमैक पे, एयरपोर्ट पे नमाज पढ़ने लगेगा, फिर वो बोलेंगे कि ये भी जस्टिफाइड है. ऐसा नहीं होता है ना. अगर आप रोड ब्लॉक करेंगे, वो कोई भी हो, तो जो कार्रवाई है वो तो होगी. तहसीन,
Look, let's just do a test out here. The test is, let's say Bangladesh or Pakistan remove a law like CAA and ask minorities or Muslims in India who are unhappy, go back to Pakistan or Bangladesh, come to Pakistan, Bangladesh. How many Muslims will go? 0. Let's say India amends CAA and says Muslims who are unhappy in Pakistan or Bangladesh come here, most of them will come. This is a fact. Now, what's happened in Bangladesh is reprehensible. What's happened in Bangladesh is against Indian interests. It is India's duty. Now, I'm not talking about CAA. CAA is a citizenship law. It takes 6 years to get citizenship. Even under CAA, though the date has been extended to 2024. I'm talking of what this government needs to do is have a temporary refugee policy with regards to Hindus of Bangladesh and friends of ours in Bangladesh. That is it. It's common sense.
Okay.
All right. For the last 1 year, just 1 second, bear with me. Anand and I have been screaming, what is plan B in Bangladesh? We've both been screaming. We don't have a plan B in Bangladesh. Stop involving Muslims in everything. Muslims in India have nothing to do of being unhappy. They're not. People in Bangladesh are basically radicalized. That's a separate issue. Muslims are happy.
No. 1 minute. No. First part of what you said is welcome. Okay. Now, दूसरा सवाल ये भी तो है तहसीन, दिग्विजय सिंह, हुसैन दलवाई, कांग्रेस लीडर्स हैं, टॉप कांग्रेस लीडर्स. व्हाट आर दे सेइंग, जस्टिफाइंग? डॉक्टर रंगनाथन क्या बोल रहे हैं?
No, Pranay, my good friend Tehseen, you making such wonderful comments, but please look on the panel itself. You are supporter of Congress, but Haji Saab is inside the Congress, and you just heard him.
My grandfather, last week he was in MIM.
Okay. प्रदीप भंडारी, ये मोदी जी को जवाब देना चाहिए कि वहां हिंदूज की लिंचिंग क्यों हो रही है. ऑपोजिशन कह रही है कि हमसे मत पूछिए, क्योंकि आपके अंडर ये यहां पे माइनॉरिटीज के साथ हो रहा है, तो इसीलिए वहां पे भी होगा.
Well, Pranesh, Tehseen made a point. I ask and I challenge on your panel to all the panelists. Have you seen any area in this country which is any area, any village, any district which became Hindu minority, and from Hindu minority it shifted to being a Hindu majority, or places where Hindus are in minority, they were not forced to flee? The mindset is the similar. And I will recall, if you recall, and why do I say it? Just recently, the court gave its judgment in Murshidabad, where Har Gobind Das and Chandan Das were killed for being Hindus. And Hindus had to forcibly migrate from Murshidabad, and all the 13 convicts were found to be from quote unquote one vote bank, and not a single politician spoke about Har Gobind Das and Chandan Das. So the mindset has been this similar. The Hindus in India are continuing to be protected because India is a Hindu majority democracy. Places in this country where demography is altered, what you see across the border, the similar scenario you see here. What happened in Bengal after 2021? The Calcutta High Court had to rule that there is no rule of law of the ruler, and not a single politician. Has Rahul Gandhi come out openly and said that he was wrong about CA? Has Rahul Gandhi said that what Digvijay Singh is saying, that it's an action-reaction thing, it is wrong? So all of them will do good cop, bad cop. Tehseen will come on the panel. You have other Congress supporters who will come on the panel. They will do good cop. And then you will have leaders of Rahul Gandhi, Digvijay Singh doing what
they will
bad
cop
cop in
out.
order to please
Good
their
cop
people.
and cop
That
out
is their
hai ye.
strategy.
No, you're right. Good cop and cop out. Total cop out. And, spare a thought for the likes of Janhvi Kapoor and others from Bollywood who mustered courage to, to say something about the persecution of Hindus. और उन पे भी आउट ऑफ इंडिया यूट्यूबर्स ने अटैक कर दिया. बट ये हैं कौन यूट्यूबर्स? नाम नहीं ले रहा कोई. डॉक्टर रंगनाथन ने नाम नहीं लिया, तहसीन ने नाम नहीं लिया, प्रदीप नाम नहीं ले रहे. कौन है
ये पूरा कलेक्शन है. When you talk of mediocrity, you can't spot one mediocre guy. It's a whole clutch.
I'm sorry, we've run out of time, Mr. Pandit. Apologies. प्रोफेसर स्वामी, मैं आपके पास इसीलिए नहीं आया क्योंकि लिंचिंग में तो आप इन्वॉल्व थे नहीं आपने फंड किया था, तो आप इस पे क्या बोलेंगे? इसीलिए मैंने आपको इस पे सवाल नहीं पूछा. व्यूअर्स, द न्यूज आर ऑन द अदर साइड.